Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. Today I made this yummy, succulent, soft and delicious pancake, and the fun part is that I made it with moringa leaf and with just few ingredients. Let me show you how I made this. Into my mixing bowl, I'll go in with 4 eggs, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 cup of milk, a teaspoon of vanilla essence, and then mix together. I will also add a teaspoon of chili pepper into the mixture, but that is optional, and also about a quarter teaspoon of salt, and mix together again. And here I have my moringa leaf. You can use any vegetable of your choice here. I love moringa leaf a lot and I love adding it into my meal. So today I decided to add it to my pancake and see how it will be. And the outcome was very yummy. So I'll be adding this anytime I'm making pancake now. It is now time to go in with the flour. I'm using all-purpose flour. You can also use oat flour or plantain flour or any other flour you feel like using. It will still go well. Any flour you use for making your pancake, you can always use that. It will go well. Gradually mixing together. You can see that I did not add everything at once so that it will not get lumps. Just mix and then add and mix and add until I use all. Like I said, I'm using 2 cups of all-purpose flour. After mixing it, the batter is thick, so we're going to add it water. I want the pancake to be light, so the batter will also have to be light. But if you want your pancake to be fluffy, you may not need to add it this much water. You also need to add baking powder to yours. If you observed, you will notice that I did not add baking powder to this. I just want a very flat pancake like our Nigerian pancake. So add the water, mix or incorporate everything very well. I'll leave all the ingredients I used with their measurements in my description box below. Here I used about half cup of water plus about 2 tablespoons. So just mix it until the thing gets to the consistency you like or want. After which the next thing will be to go and fry this. To fry our moringa pancake, just add about a teaspoon or half a teaspoon of oil into your clean dry pan. Spread the oil and then scoop in the pancake batter. Allow it to fry for about 2 minutes. Then you flip over to the other side to also fry. When you are sure that both sides are fried, this should have been about 5 to 6 minutes, then take it out from the pan and continue to fry the rest of the batter with the same process. And because we added oil in the batter itself, you can still fry it without adding oil in the pan. You can also use butter instead of the cooking oil I used. So we'll continue to fry like this. Fry, flip over, fry until we're done frying the whole thing. Yeah, my lovely treasures, this is how we made our succulent, delicious, soft moringa pancake. I hope you'll be giving this a try. This is very, very delicious. The result is amazing. You can use this for any tea drink of your choice. You can use it for your tea, for your coffee, for your juice. You can also just sprinkle it honey or pancake syrup and enjoy just as it is. It's very delicious. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye. Please share my video. Thank you. Like and share, please. Thank you. See you. Bye.